Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can delete a blocked Payoneer account and create a new Payoneer account. So before we begin, it's very important to know that Payoneer's account policy is really strict. So the Payoneer does not allow multiple accounts for the same person. So each individual can only have one account unless Payoneer specifically authorizes you to open an additional account, like for a business. So if your current account is blocked, you must first request Payoneer to close it. Only after that, you can apply for a new one. So under their rules, it's okay to open a new account if you already closed the other one. So never try to create a second account without closing the old one because Payoneer may suspend it as well. So to be able to close your account, here are the steps. So here I'm on the official website of the Payoneer Customer Help website. So just search for the payoneer.customerhelp.com. So here I wish to close my account. So a few things that you need to do, is before closing your account, please use up the remaining funds before closing your account. So once you confirm your account for closure, any remaining funds in your account will be lost. So make sure to use them or to withdraw them to your other linked account. So first is you will not be able to use the same email address to register for a new Payoneer account. So you must enter a new one. So once your account has been closed, they won't be able to reopen it again due to their regulation. So if you want to close your account, just go ahead and tap on this link right here. So in here, you're going to be submitting a form that you want your account to be closed. So here you must provide your personal details, your first name, last name, email address, and the reason why you are closing your Payoneer account. So also in here, are you planning to link or use any of the existing funding sources with another Payoneer account? So you just have to select your answer in here. And also you have to provide the 4 digits of your bank account. So that is the last 4 digits, and as well as your date of birth in here and your feedback. But I guess this is just optional. And once you're done filling all these details, just go ahead and tap on submit. So now to open a new one, here are the steps. So the first thing that you have to do is visit the payoneer.com. And in here, you have to choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs. So if you're an e-commerce seller, wholesale exporter, and a freelancer, depends on you. So I'm just going to click on the freelance. And then from here, you have to choose the right Payoneer. Your monthly international payments. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. And from here, if you're a freelancer, just go ahead and tap on register right here at the top. So we're going to tap that one. So we're just gonna wait. So here you have to answer a few questions. So that is 1 out of 4. So know my business. So you just have to provide your first name, last name, email address, and take note you cannot use the old email address that you've used on your old account. So make sure to provide a new one and just have to re-enter and then your date of birth. So once you're done putting all the details, go ahead and tap on next to confirm that you have read and understood the Payoneer privacy policy and agree to its terms. So once you tap on next, you just have to verify your identity, and that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!